Hi, my name is Diamond, and this is my elephant toothpaste lab. So I have some hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to just put it into this cup. Going to add my dish soap. And I have some green food coloring. So kind of swirling it all up in there. And I have my yeast that was just dissolved in some warm water. Just give it another stir and pour it in. So my experiment, it foams a little bit. I also made this one, it also foamed. You can see I wasn't sure if the bottle was a little too tall because the foam is in the bottle, but it didn't come out really at all. So that's why I tried the cup. I'm not sure if the cup is too wide. So kind of failed, but you can see this one did create a reaction because you can see how this is like almost full and it's all foam. And I think it's because my hydrogen peroxide is only 2%, or 3%, sorry, instead of 10%. But what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to foam kind of out of the bottle a little bit. So you can see this one kind of did. I just think that this bottle might have been just too tall because it's just not a normal water bottle. I just had one laying around the house. But the toothpaste, elephant toothpaste, is supposed to work due to a chemical reaction inside the bottle. The hydrogen peroxide is made up of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, and yeast contains a catalyst called catalase, which speeds up the reaction without changing the products. So adding the yeast to the hydrogen peroxide soap causes the reaction to speed the process up by breaking down the hydrogen peroxide, producing oxygen and water more quickly. And the foam is created because the oxygen gets trapped by the dishwashing soap as many tiny bottles. So even this, you can see, kind of foamed up a little bit. I didn't get the complete reaction of it falling over, like I said. So this one you could see kind of is. I just wish I had a smaller bottle. So it didn't necessarily work, but the foam is warm, which means the reaction's exothermic. So I wish this actually exploded like it should have, but it's just basically the reaction causes tiny bubbles, which gets trapped into the soap. So maybe I'm not sure if I should have put more soap or if it was because of my lower percentage of hydrogen peroxide, because I just got it at the store, so they only had 3% instead of 10%. But that's my lab.